Today I am going to show you how to enable or disable the rewrite tool in Notepad on Windows 11. This new feature is incredibly useful and can significantly enhance your text editing experience. So, without wasting any time, let's dive in. First, we need to open the Notepad settings. You can do this by clicking on this gear icon. Now, scroll down until you find the AI features section. Under this section, you will see the option labeled Rewrite. You can toggle this option off or on by clicking the radio button. When you enable this tool, a new rewrite icon will appear in Notepad. You can now use it to rewrite your text, making it shorter or longer, or changing its tone and formatting. You can also access rewrite tool using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus I. Alternative, you can right click on your text and select rewrite. All the available rewrite options will be shown in that menu. In case you do not see rewrite feature in Notepad settings, you may need to upgrade to the latest version of Windows 11. Currently, this feature is linked to a Microsoft Office 365 subscription. So, you will only be able to use it if you have an Office 365 subscription. There may be a time in the future when this feature can be used without needing an Office 365 subscription. So friends, that's it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more useful content like this. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.